Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths online class. Today, we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction as combined operation. Here, we have to do the addition and subtraction. In your textbook, page number 150.
And subtraction as combined operation. We discussed addition and also we discussed the subtraction. Now here we are going to discuss about the combined combination. These two combinations here we are discussing. See here 3 by 4, 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Here we have to do these two numbers addition and again these two numbers to subtraction. Okay, first here what is the denominators? The denominators are different. So here we have to do the LCM. See here children, 4, 3, 6. This is the denominator numbers now. See here, these three numbers are divisible in which table? In 2 table 4 is there, 6 is there, but 3 is not there now. Okay, just take the number 2. 2 2s are 4 and write 3 as like 3 and 3 3s are 6. And here see children, here 3, here also 3. These two numbers are divisible in which table? Yes, 3 table. Write 2 as usual and 1 and 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So what is the LCM here? 2 into 3 into 2 into 1. See here 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are how much? 12. See here children, we have to take the denominators to do the LCM now. 4, 3, 6 is the denominator numbers. Here we have to do the LCM. 4 and 6 are there in 2 table. So take the 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and next 3 is there now here. Write 3 here down and next 3, 2 3s are 6. Here 3, 2, 3s are there now. Just take the 3 table. 3, 2 is not there now. Write 2 down. 3 ones are 3. Next 3 ones are 3. The LCM is how much? 12. LCM of 4, 3 and 6 is equals to how much the LCM? 12. LCM how much? 12. Take the first number. What is the first number? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equals to 3 into 4 into, in 4 table, 12 is there or not there children? Sorry, in 4 table, 12 is there or not there? Yes, 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3. Here also we have to write 3. 3 3s are 9. Next 4 3s are, how much? 4 3s are 12. Here the denominator and the LCM, both the numbers are same. Next one, what is the next one here? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3 into. In 3 table, 12 is there or not there? How many times? 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here write 4. 1 4s are 4. Next 3 4s are 12. Here the denominator and LCM, both the numbers are same. Next number how much? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is equals to 5 into 6 into. In 6 table, 12 is there or not there? Tell me children. Yes, very good. How many times? 2 times. Right here, 2, 2. 5 2s are 10. Next, 6 2s are 12. Okay, now see children, here the denominators are same. What are the denominators here? 12. So, the denominators are same. Just we have to add the numerator numbers only. What we have to add children? Just we have to add the numerator numbers. Right here the numbers 9 by 12. Next one. Here what is the symbol? Plus symbol, no? Right here plus. 4 by 12. Next symbol, what is the symbol? Subtraction symbol is there, no? Minus. Right here minus 10 by 12. 10 by 12. So take the denominator same. And next 9 plus 4 minus 10. Okay. 9 plus 4 is equals to how much? 9 plus 4 is equals to? Yes. 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. 13 minus 10. 13 minus 10 by 12. 13 minus 10 is equals to how much? 10 after? 11, 12, 13. So 3. 3 by 12. 3 by 12. What is the answer here children? 3 by 12. See here 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6 equals to which number? 3 by 12.
Is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by whole number. Here multiplication means repeated addition. We know that multiplication is repeated addition. To multiply a fraction by a whole number. If we multiply the fraction by a whole number, multiply its numerator. First we have to multiply its numerator by the whole number. Numerator to the whole number. We have to multiply the numerator by the whole number and keep the denominator unchanged. And we have to keep the denominator unchanged. No need to change the denominator. Just we have to multiply the numerator and the whole number. Here see the first Roman multiply.
Multiply. Here what is the number? 3 into 3 by 4. 3 into 3 by 4. Here see the solution. What we have to do? 3 into 3 by 4. No? Fraction by a whole number. Multiply its numerator by the whole number. Here we have to multiply these two numbers. Numerator to the whole number. Numerator ni whole number ni multiply cheyali. Denominator matram same as it is ilane unchali. చూడండి ఎలా రాసుకోవాలో. See here what is the denominator here? We have to write the denominator as same. Next, see what is the whole number at the numerator here? The whole number is 3. What is the symbol here? Multiplication symbol is there, no? Right here into, and what is the numerator number? Is 3. Like this we have to write. Okay, we have to multiply the whole number and numerator. Whole number and numerator. Whole number and numerator. 3 3 is a how much? 3 3 is a 9. The denominator is constant. We have to write 4. చూడండి మనం ఇక్కడ పక్కన ఇచ్చిన హోల్ నెంబర్ న్యూమరేటర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? హోల్ నెంబర్ అండ్ న్యూమరేటర్ we have to multiply. The denominator is we have to write same number constant. Here what is the number? 4. No? Here also 4. Here also 4. Like this we have to just multiply the whole number and numerator. See children, second side, 1 2 by 3 into 6. Here this number is which number? This is mixed fraction number. No, we have to convert this number into improper fraction. First we have to convert this number. Afterwards we have to do the multiplication. See here, 1 2 by 3 equals to, in between 1 and 3 we have to keep into, and in between these two numbers we have to keep plus. So write like this. See here, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 2. 3 into 1 plus 2. What is the denominator number? 3. No, right here 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is equals to how much? 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 by 3. 5 by 3. చూడండి ఇక్కడ మనం ఆల్రెడీ మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్లోది మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అది ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం. ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి? వీ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై ద డినామినేటర్ అండ్ హోల్ నెంబర్. We have to multiply the denominator and whole number. Afterwards we have to plus the product. ఇక్కడ మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వస్తుంది కదా ప్రోడక్ట్, ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్తోని పైన న్యూమరేటర్ని ప్లస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, what is the answer here? 5 by 3. Right here 5 by 3 into, what is the number here? 6. How to multiply this? We have to multiply the numerator and whole part. This is a whole number, no? Numerator and the whole fraction is there, no? These two numbers we have to multiply. So 5 into 6 by 3. 5 into 6. 5 into 6 by, what is the denominator? 3, no? Right here 3. So here see children, 5 6 are how much? 5 6 are 30. 30 by, what is the denominator number? 3. See here children, చూడండి 33 ఉంది. ఈ టూ నెంబర్స్ 3 టేబుల్లో క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుందా లేదా? 3 ones are 3 and 3 times are 30. No? So here we have to cancel these two numbers, 1 time and here 10 times. So what is the number here? 10 by 1. If the denominator 1 is there, means just we have to write the numerator number 10. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి 30 by 3 వచ్చింది. 33 అనేది ఏ టేబుల్లో క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది? 3 టేబుల్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్? 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So here cancel these two numbers and write 10 by 1. 10 by 1. If the denominator number is 1 means no need to calculate this denominator, just we have to calculate the numerator only. What is the numerator number? 10.
Here, the next topic is multiplication of a fraction by another number. Here, we have to multiply the fraction by another number. Here, we have some steps. See, follow these steps when multiplying fractions. We have to follow these steps to multiply the fraction. First one, multiply the numerators with the product as a numerator of your answer. We have to multiply the numerators with the product as a numerator of your answer. What we have to do? First numerators are there, no? Here see, for example, we are taking this number 5 by 6 into 3 by 5. First we have to multiply these two numbers. Which numbers? These two numerators. Next see, multiply the denominators. Again we have to multiply the denominators. Again we have to multiply these denominators. Write the product as the denominator of your answer. We have to write the product of the denominator of your answer. If you see children here, first for example here what we are taking 5 by 6, 3 by 5. No, these two are the numerator numbers. If what we have to do, we have to multiply these two numbers. No, 5 3 is how much? 5 3 is 15 by what here? Write the product as a numerator of your answer. No, this is our answer and we wrote it into the numerator only. Next, multiply the denominator. 6 5 is how much? 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30. Write the product as the denominator of your answer. This is the answer. We have to write this answer into which way? Where we have to write denominator. And next, reduce your answer to lowest terms. If it is possible means we have to reduce this number. We have to reduce this number. If it is possible only. If otherwise no need to reduce that. If the common factors are not there means we have to just leave this number like this only. If the factors are there means we have to reduce this number. 15 by 30. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 only. No, just it is very easy to find out 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What we have to do children at first? We have to multiply the both numerators. Afterwards we have to multiply the both denominators. Again we have to reduce it into the lowest terms. Otherwise what we have to do? Here see children. See this example. It is very easy. 4 8 by 15 into 2 11 by 17. Here the two numbers are in improper fraction. We have to convert these two numbers into improper fraction, changing into improper fractions. These are the mixed numbers. We have to convert these numbers into mixed fraction. Okay, again see here, 68 by 15 into 45 by 17 are the improper numbers. Again see children here, there is a cancellation. There is cancellation. 15 ones are 15. And again 15 3 is how much? 45. If the cancellation is there means we have to cancel these two numbers and we have to write the product numbers here. Cancellation ఎలా చేయాలంటే ఇట్లా క్రాస్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడే చేయాలి. ఇలా క్రాస్ గా ఉంటేనే క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇలా మనకి పక్క పక్కన డినామినేటర్ ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడం కుదరదు. ఓన్లీ డినామినేటర్ ని న్యూమరేటర్ ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. అది కూడా పాసిబుల్ అవుతేనే. ఓకే, if any number is there means then only we have to do the cancellation. Next see here, cancel the common factor 15 and 17. Here also 17 ones are 17, 74 is 68. So this number is 4 by 1 into 3 by 1. 4 by 1 into 3 by 1. Here the denominator is 1. If the denominator is 1 means there is no need to write the denominator. Just we have to write the numerator only. 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. If we wrote here 1 means what is the answer? Just 12 only. Because if the denominator 1 is there means just we have to write the numerator number. Okay children, what we have to follow? We have to follow these 3 steps by using the which method? Multiplication method. Here is the first Roman, simplify.
Simplify. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Here what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. పైన numerator రెండింటిని multiply చేయాలి, కింద denominator రెండింటిని multiply చేయాలి. Why? Because here the fraction is there, no? That's why. If the whole number is there means we have to just multiply to the numerator. But here the fraction is there, no? So see here children the solution. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 equals to, what are the numerator numbers? 2 into 4. 2 into 4 by, next denominator numbers 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay, numerator పైన numerators రెండింటిని multiply చేయాలి. Afterwards the denominators we have to multiply. See here 2 into 4. 2 4s are how much? 8. Next 3 5s are 15. Okay, we have to just multiply the numerators and next we have to multiply the denominator numbers. So here what is the answer? 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 equals to 8 by 15. See children, here what are the numbers here? 3 by 4 into 8 by 9. Here see, here 4. So we have to see these numbers. These numbers are cancelled or not. Here 4 are there and here 8 are there. No? 4 and 8 are cancelled in one table. Which table? 4 table. No? Just right here. Cancel the common factor 4. Cancel the common factor 4. Here cancellation to 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now see here 3. Here 4 already cancelled. Now what is the denominator number? 3 by 1 into here 8 are cancelled. So here the number is 2. 2 by 9. See children again. Here 3 and 9 also cancelled in 3 table. Right here. Cancel the common factor. Which number? 3. 3 1s are 3. Next 3 3s are 9. So what is the numbers here? 1 by 1 into 2 by 3. 1 by 1 into 2 by 3. Is there any cancellation? Is there? No. So just we have to multiply these two numbers. 1 into 2 is equals to 2. 1 into 3 is equals to 3. చూడండి అన్న ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చి నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఆ నెంబర్లో ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇలా పక్క పక్కన ఉంటే క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వదు. ఇట్లా న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ అయితేనే క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. సో హియర్ 3 by 4 and 8 by 9. Here see children 4 and 8 these two numbers are cancelled in which table? 4 table. No, just we have to cancel the common factor 4. 4 1s are 4 and next 4 2s are 8. The numbers are 3 by 1 and 2 by 9. 3 by 1 into 2 by 9. So here see children 3 by 1 into 2 by 9. Against 3 and 9 are cancelled in which table? 3 table. No? Here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. The what are the numbers here? 1 by 1 into 2 by 3. 1 by 1 into 2 by 3. Just we have to multiply the numerators and denominators. 1 into 2 is equals to 2. 1 into 3 is equals to 3. The number is 3 by 4 into 8 by 9 is equals to what are the number? 2 by 3.
Here the second Roman is simplify.
Second Roman simplify. In that second Roman first sum 1 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 1 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. First we have to convert this number into improper fraction. See the solution here children. 1 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Here first we have to convert this number now right here. 1 3 by 5 equals to here denominator and whole number we have to multiply and product to the numerator we have to add, right, like this. 5 into 1 plus 3. 5 into 1 plus 3 by denominator 5. Now write 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is equals to how much? 8 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. The denominator constant no, right here 5. What are the number here? 8 by 5 now. Right here 8 by 5 equal. Sorry, multiplication into 5 by 8. 5 by 8. See children, once observe this number. Here 8 is there, here also 8 is there. Here 5 is there, here also 5 is there. We have to simply cancel these two numbers now. So right here. Cancel the common factor. Which number common factor? 8. So cancel this number. So here 1 time, here also 1 time. 8 1s are 8, 8 1s are 8. So 1 by 5 into 5 by 1. 1 by 5 into 5 by 1. Next here 5 is there, here also 5 is there. We can cancel these two numbers now right here. cancel the which number? Common factor. Common factor 5. Cancel the common factor 5. Cancel these two numbers. So what is the number here? 1 and 1. So 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 equals to, see children, 1 into 1 is equals to 1 only. Next 1 into 1 is equals to 1. It is equals to only 1. 1 by 1 is equals to 1. See here 8 by 5 into 5 by 8. Here is a 5 and here also 5. Here 8 and here also 8. First we cancel the 8 number. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. Next 1 by 5 into 5 by 1. Again 5 and 5. Both the two numbers are 5 and 5. Now we can cancel these two numbers also. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what are the numbers here? 1 by 1, 1 by 1. Here also 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So equals to 1 into 1 is equals to 1. 1 into 1 is equals to 1. 1 by 1 equals to which number? 1. So what are the number here? 1, 3 by 5 into 5 by 8 equals to which number? Number 1. Second one, 12 by 70 into 2, 1 by 6. This number is mixed fraction number. Now we have to convert this number into improper fraction. See the solution. 12 by 70 into 2, 1 by 6. First we have to convert this number. Now write this number. 2, 1 by 6 equals to, here keep into and here plus. 6 into 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 by denominator number 6. Now write here 6. So what is the number here? 6 into 2 is equals to, 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 1 is equals to how much? 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. 13 by 6. 13 by 6. What is the first number? First fraction number? 12 by 70 into 13 by 6. 12 by 17 into next 13 by 6. Observe these numbers, children. Here the common numbers are there to cancel. Here 6 is there, here 12 is there. So in 6 table 12 is there or not there? Yes. How many times are there? 2 times. No? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. So right here cancel. Cancel the common factor 6. Okay. Now what are the numbers? 2 by 17. 2 by 17 into 13 by 1. 13 by 1. Again what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator numbers. Afterwards we have to multiply the denominator numbers. So 2 into 13. 2 into 13 means how much? 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. Yes, 26 by next 17 into 1 now 17 only. So 17. Here what is the question? 12 by 17 into 2 1 by 6. 2 1 by 6 equals to 26 by 17. 26 by 17. Okay, first we have to convert mixed number into improper number. Afterwards we have to cancel the, if any numbers are common numbers are there means, then we have to cancel the numbers. Again at last we have to multiply the numerators and denominators.
Next here we are going to discuss about division of fractions. See here children, in the picture 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. See here 1 by 6 we have to leave me. Same we have to write 1 by 2 only. And next here division symbol is there, no? Yes. Have to change this number into multiplication symbol. And next fraction 1 by 6. Turn me over. Here 1 by 6. We have to turn this number 6 by 1. Here see children, numerator as the denominator and denominator as the numerator. 1 by 6 turn me over to 6 by 1. Reciprocal. 6 by 1 is a reciprocal. In that, division of a fraction by whole number. To divide a fraction by a whole number, convert the whole number into its reciprocal and multiply them as usual. Here we have to change the whole number into reciprocal, and as usually we have to multiply that. See children, here are the some methods. Make the whole number into a fraction with a unit denominator. With a unit denominator, we have to make the fraction. Keep the first fraction unchanged. We have to keep the first fraction unchanged. Unchanged means no need to change the first fraction. Write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Write this reciprocal of the second fraction. Again, we have to reciprocal the second fraction. Multiply the dividend fraction by the divisor fraction. We have to multiply the dividend fraction to the divisor fraction. Here is the first Roman, divide.
See children, what is the question here? 1 divided by 1 by 3. 1 divided by 1 by 3. Here 1 is there, no? 1 means what we have to write? See the solution here. 1 divided by 1 by 3. 1 is there, no? Here we have to 1 equals to 3 by 3. 1 equals to 3 by 3. I already told children. 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్లో ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఉంటుందో అదే న్యూమరేటర్లో డినామినేటర్లో వేసుకోవాలి ఓకే నౌ రైట్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 1 we have to write 3 by 3 instead of 1 we have to write 3 by 3 3 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 is the sum in divisions what we have to do here what is this number the first fraction is there now this is the first fraction just write the first fraction down 3 by 3 and here what is the symbol division symbol is there now we have to change this division symbol and write the multiplication symbol okay we have to change this number to the change this symbol to the multiplication symbol again what is the second fraction here 1 by 3 is there now we have to write this number reciprocal means what write the numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator so 3 by 1 here 1 by 3 reciprocals to 3 by 1 okay children 3 by 1 now we have to multiply these numbers see here 3 into 3 means how much 3 3 is 9 by 3 1s 3 3 and 9 is there in which table in 3 table 3 and 9 is there or not there yes how many times these two numbers are there 3 1s are 3 3 3 is 9 so total the number is 3 by 1 total number is 3 by 1 see here what is the question 1 divided by 1 by 3 equals to 3 by 1 now if the denominator 1 is there means what we have to write just we have to write the numerator number only just write the number 3 children చూడండి నాన్న ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఏ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చారు 3 by 3 ఉంది కదా యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 3 by 3 వేసుకుంటాం ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ సింబల్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ సింబల్ ఇంటూ ద మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సైన్ convert the division symbol to the multiplication sign again we have to change this number numerator as a denominator denominator as a numerator see here 1 by 3 converts to the 3 by 1 1 by 3 converts to 3 by 1 afterwards we have to multiply these numerators and denominators see here 9 by 3 9 by 3 9 and 3 are divisible in one table only which the table number is 3 so 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9 so 3 by 1 if the denominator is 1 means just we have to write the numerator number only no just write the numerator number so what is the question here 1 divided by 1 by 3 equals to only 3 children second sum what is the question 4 divided by 1 by 2 4 divided by 1 by 2 here 4 is there any numerator as 4 only numerator is there any new denominator the denominator is not there no just we have to write the number 1 4 divided by 1 by 2 is the question 4 is there no write here 4 by 1 what I told we have to change this symbol into multiplication symbol again what we have to do this number we have to write the numerator as a denominator and the denominator as a numerator no so reciprocal 2 by 1 2 by 1 now what we have to do just we have to multiply the numerators and just we have to multiply the denominators 4 into 2 is equals to how much 4 2s 8 again 1 1s 1 8 by 1 equals to 8 why because if 1 is there in denominator means no need to calculate this just we have to calculate the numerator number what is the 8 we have to write the 8 is the answer see here ఇక్కడ 4 దగ్గర డినామినేటర్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదు కదా నాన్న ఏమి ఇవ్వనప్పుడు ఏం వేసుకోవాలంటే 1 వేసుకోవాలన్నమాట
ఎందుకంటే మన డినామినేటర్ నెంబర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందుకే ఇక్కడ 1 వేసుకోవాలి. సో అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ దిస్ సింబల్ ఇంటూ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ సింబల్. Division symbol is there, no? We have to change this number into multiplication symbol. Again the second fraction is there, no? This is the second fraction. We have to change this number to the reciprocal. Reciprocal means denominator as a numerator, numerator as a denominator. Numerator the denominator, denominator the numerator. Passing out just we have to multiply the numerators and denominators. Next second Roman. In that second Roman, see the first one. 3 by 4 divided by 2. 3 by 4 divided by 2. See here 2 is there, no? What we have to write? 2 by 1 we have to write. See the solution here, children. 3 by 4 divided by 2. This is the question. We have to convert 2 as a 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Again, see children, what we have to do? Again, yes, 3 by 4 we have to write same. And next we have to convert this divisibility symbol into multiplication symbol, and we have to do this reciprocal now. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. And next we have to multiply the simply numerators and denominator. ఇక్కడ మనం reciprocal చేయాలి కాబట్టి 1 by 2 వేసుకున్నాం. Next 3 1s are 3, 4 2s are 8. Next one, division of a fraction by another fraction. To divide a fraction by another fraction, we have to follow some steps. See here. First step, children. Invert the second fraction, that is, write the numerator on the bottom and the denominator on the top. We have to reciprocal the second fraction anamata. Okay, nana chudana ikkada numerator on the bottom, and denominator on the top. We have to reverse that. Next, step 2. Multiply the two fractions. Again, we have to multiply the two fractions. Third step. Write the answer in lowest term. If it is possible, means what I told, we have to reduce the lowest terms. First, what we have to do, we have to write the numerator on the bottom and denominator on the top. Afterwards, we have to multiply the two factors. Again, we have to convert the numbers into the lowest terms. What is the number here? 4 by 7 divided by 14 by 32. See the solution. 4 by 7 divided by 14 by 32. Just write the 4 by 7 as usual. 4 by 7. We have to change this number now. Change this symbol as multiplication. Here we have to do this reciprocal now. 32 by 14. 32 by 14. Numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. See here. Next we have to just multiply these two numbers. There is no cancellation now. Here 7 is there, here 4 is there, 32 and 14. These two 14 and 7 will cancel, but these two are there in denominator. No. In the denominator lo 2 numbers unte dani cancel cheyoddu. Itla opposite ga untene cheyali. So there is no cancellation. We have to just do the multiplication. 4 into 32 by 7 into 14. 4 into 32. Do the multiplication here. 32 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. What is the answer here? 128. 128. Next. 7 into 14. 14 into 7. 7 4s are how much? 7 4s are 28. 28. Next. 7 1s are 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. 98. See children, what is the number here? 128 by 98. 128 by 98. These two numbers are cancelled, no? Why? Because here in one's place even number is there. 8 here is there, here also 8 here there. So these two numbers are cancelled in which table? Yes, 2 table. See here in 2 table 48 how many times the number will divisible? 98. See children here. 98 no? In which table children? 2 table no? See. 2 4s are 8. 9 plus 8 is equals to 1. Here 8. 9s are 18. So what is the quotient here? 49. Cancel this 98 and write here 49.
Next, what is the next number? 128. 128. Do here. 128. In two table, 12 is there or not there? Yes, how many times? 6 times. 6 are 12. 8 as down. 4 are 8. So what is the quotient here? 64. Right here. Cancel 128 and write the 64. Is there any cancellation? 64 by 49. These two numbers are different. There is no cancellation. So what is the number here? 64 by 49. See here, what is the quotient? 4 by 7 divided by 14 by 32 equals to 64 by 49. Okay children, first మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏం క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లేవు కాబట్టి జస్ట్ న్యూమరేటర్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేసేసేసాము, కింద డినామినేటర్స్ కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేసేయాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఎనీ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్ దేర్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్. Is the cancellation is there in two tables, so we have to cancel these two numbers in two table. What is the quotient here? 64 and here the quotient is 49. 64 by 49 is the answer. Children, second sum, 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 3 by 4. We have to convert these two numbers into which numbers? Improper fractions. See the first one children. 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 3 by 4 is the quotient. See here 2 1 by 2. We have to change this number now. Here we have to keep the into and here plus. Right like this. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. See children, we have to multiply to the denominator and whole number and we get the product now. The product to add the numerator now. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 into 2 means 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is equals to how much? 5. 5 by what is the denominator number? 2 no, right here 2. Then what is the next number? 1 3 by 4. Right here 1 3 by 4 equals to, right here multiplication symbol and here plus. 4 into 1 plus 3. Right here like this. 4 into 1 plus 3 by, what is the numerator? Sorry, denominator 4. Right here 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 is equals to how much? 7 by 4. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. 7 by 3. Write these two numbers. Instead of mixed numbers, we have to write this in group of numbers. 5 by 2 divided by 7 by 4. 7 by 4. See here, what we have to do it next? We have to write the first number as usually 5 by 2. Next, keep the multiplication symbol instead of division symbol now? Yes. And next reciprocal we have to do this. 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Okay. Now see what is this number? 5 by 2. What are the numbers here? 5 by 2 into 4 by 7. Right here. 5 by 2 into 4 by 7. Is there any cancellation on there here? Yes. Here 2 is there, here 4 is there. The two numbers are even numbers and the two numbers also divisible by 2 table. 1 and 2. So what is the number here? 5 by 1 into 2 by 7. So multiply the numerator numbers. 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Next 7 1s are 7. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 1 into 7 is equals to 7. So this number is improper number. Improper number, we have to change this number into the mixed number. Mixed fraction number. Why? Because the question is mixed fraction number, no? That's why we have to convert this into also the mixed fraction number. See here 10 by 7, now we have to do the division here. 10 to which table? 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is equals to how much? 3. 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. 3 is the remainder. So 1 is the quotient, no? And now see children, 10 by 7 equals to, what is the denominator number? 7, no? Right here 7. And what is the quotient number? Quotient is 1, no? Just right here 1. What is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Write the numerator here. So what is the number here? 10 by 7 equals to 1 3 by 7. See children, here what is the quotient? 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 3 by 4 equals to 1 3 by 7.
You should complete your maths classwork and homework. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts, but write your classwork and homework also. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.